What's going on, guys? It's Reaper. Today we're finally doing the big thing. Got a little sunburn action going on, looks like. But we're headed out to ride in Harley Davidson today. We're going to be test riding the Road Glide. You guys know I've been wanting to do this for quite some time now, so today we're finally going to be doing it. I'm super excited. I'm going to catch up with you guys on the way. We're going to head out now.
All right, we're heading to Riding High. We're going to hopefully ride us a Road Glide. But I called my buddy Bill that works there. He's fucking awesome. And that guy actually sold me on my bike, and I was just like, hey, you guys have that riding event coming up. Would I be able to come by and possibly ride a Road Glide? He's like, yeah, just sure, come on. I'm excited. We're going to see how this goes. I'm really excited to ride a Road Glide. I'm hoping that I don't knock this bike over, dude. I hope I don't drop it in the parking lot. My Heritage is the heaviest bike I've ever been on in my life. So, I mean, we'll see. I think I got it. I think we'll be okay. But what if I drop that big son of a bitch? But we'll see. I'm going to catch up with you guys when I get there. I'm going to lock in and enjoy the rest of the ride. It's about a 40-minute ride for me. Alright, here we go. Dude, if I bust my ass, I don't know if I'll come back. I'm gonna be too embarrassed. Watch me be in love with this, man. Watch me walk out with a fucking Road Glide today. Nah, I'm just joking. I feel so compact on this thing, dude. Dude, I'm not used to this hill. Bro, I'm so lost with my shifter. My heel shifter is like everything to me. I'm not used to shifting with my toe. I'm used to just stomping that bitch down. Shit, I ain't trying to honk. I keep forgetting that the music's on and I can't have music in my videos. Bro, this is nice. Bro, this is so nice. I'm just so, like, relaxed. This fairing does such a good job, dude. This is really nice. I like this. I like these bars. These bars are pretty good. The only thing that I don't like is I don't have a heel shifter right now. But, and it does have more power. I will say that. I wonder if the wind sounds crazy to you guys. It sounds a little crazy to me, of course, but I'm the one on the bike. Oh, this merges to another highway. I gotta get over. I gotta turn around. I ain't trying to go too far away from the dealership. Oh, that doesn't go to a highway. I'm tweaking. I can get over on this. Bro, see, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. I never get off from this exit, so I don't know what's really what over here, to be totally honest with you. Dude, there's so much more power than my damn Heritage, though. There is so much more power. Oh, I'm sitting kind of high up right here. It's not bad. I'll say that for my height. It's just getting used to this clutch, not having a heel shifter. And that's really it, to be honest with you. Dude, I just stomped the back of the fucking floorboard. I'm not used to this. I think I just honked my horn. But I like this. Oh shit. What the fuck? That was a big drop. I gotta watch out for that. You can see I'm I can flat foot it right there, but I was not expecting this. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera. There's a big dip right here. That wasn't me. I'm not just a noob. But dude, this is so nice. Are we in first? Oh, it says right there my gear. That's cool. See, mine now doesn't say the gears. It just says if it's in neutral, and that's about it. I'm scared to kind of turn. Oh, it's green. Okay. we're going, oh my God. I'm gonna have to blur the screen. I gotta slow down. Good Lord. Now I will say this, because I wanted to ride it for the buffeting. There is some buffeting, but it's not bad. My wallet's coming out of my back pocket. There is some buffeting, but it is not bad. And my buffeting comes from when I'm going like 50 or more. I don't feel it until I'm hitting way over what I need to be going. Dude, I could get a felony on this. See, I started riding motorcycles without having like my RPM showing, and so I don't know when to shift on these, to be honest with you. I just go by the way the engine sounds, and this engine, it doesn't, I mean the exhaust, not the engine, the exhaust, how the exhaust sounds. And I can't really hear it that well in this, to be honest with you, but dude, this is so nice. Oh shit, this is my exit. Yeah, dude, I know there's going to be a lot of people roasting me. They're like, you're in the wrong gear. But guys, I'm sorry. I'm not used to this, dude. It's a test ride. Leave me alone. I wish I could tell me from before there's nothing to worry about on this Road Glide. It does sit way higher up. My knees are usually, and my feet are like way lower than this. So that is something. I probably should be in second. Oh, well, fuck it. It'll be all right. Bro, I know I look like a noob on this thing, but I promise y'all, I've been riding for a long time. It's just a weird feeling with this. If you guys have ridden with a heel shifter and you're used to that, you'll probably know what I mean. If you ever ride without one, it's just like a whole different ball game. Dude, I'm in love with this Road Glide. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I knew I would. I knew it was gonna happen. But we don't have Road Glide money, guys. We don't. I wish I could buy this thing. This is fucking nice. This is like the best feeling bike I've ever ridden. All right, look, that was such a clean stop, dude. The ground's level. Now, we'll say I can flat-foot it. Like right now I'm flat-footed, you know, both feet. Obviously, it's not as stable. I don't think I'd want to lower it. This is like perfect height, perfect size for me, to be honest with you. You know, Bill was showing me like all the stuff, like all the specs before I started the video, and he's like, yeah, this is this and this and this. Only thing I really remember is like the mode and how to use the radio and shit. But that's it. See, you're always a little nervous, like whenever you're driving, you're like not driving your own car and you're, you know, riding somebody else's motorcycle, I guess. And that's just kind of how I feel right now. You know, I'm just a little nervous because this isn't mine. If I drop it, you know, it ain't like it's my own problem. The short people out there, though, dude, there's nothing to worry about with this. I could probably be like 5'5", 5'4", and I'd still be okay. I'm over here. I'm 5'8", 180 pounds, by the way, guys. That's why I was super nervous about riding one of these bad boys. They're probably thinking I drove off with it, dude. They're probably like, fuck it. He's leaving that Heritage here. He's gone. I'm flat-footing it, walking it back, dude. This is nice. It's nice. So while I was here, I also went ahead and I got my sticker, because they never gave me that when I originally started at the other dealership. And then I got my keychain. And then I got the other one, the challenge coin. This is for hitting 1,000 miles. This was for, I think, 2,000 or 2,500. Or 500. Okay, yeah, I was wrong. This is the awesome hat I got for the ride challenge just by coming by and test riding the bike. It's pretty cool. Future Reaper. Also, they gave me this cool little coin here for coming and doing the ride. It's pretty cool. Riding high Harley Davidson here in High Point, North Carolina. Come on by and see Bill. That dude's awesome. Everybody here is awesome. I just say Bill because Bill's always took care of me. He's the one that sold me my bike. He's an awesome dude. Just come on by and see Bill. Or anybody. Michelle up front's really good. Everybody here is pretty good. You can feel when you get back on a smaller bike, you can really just feel the weight difference. But that was fucking awesome. I fucking love that bike, dude. That was awesome. If only I was 21 years old again and I was making poor financial decisions, man, I'd be taking that thing home today. I'm not used to my own clutch. Dude, I am not used to my own... That's fucking crazy. Dude, I wasn't letting the clutch out all the way. I was used to the way the other one was still. Because mine goes so far out, I guess, compared to it. I don't know. Now, the weight of a Road Glide. I will say this for you guys. If you're watching this video because you're wanting to get one, you want to see a review, or if, you know, maybe you're like me and you are a little bit on the shorter side, then you want to know, how does it feel? Is it too heavy? You know, how big is it? You know, that sort of thing. It was 100% manageable. I'm 5'8", 180 pounds. That was 100% manageable, guys. The only thing was I didn't have my heel shifter, which that kept throwing me off because I kept on stomping the back of the floorboard and there wasn't one there. But the throw shifter was still nice. I could definitely get used to it, but I know you can still put a heel shifter on those, which I would definitely probably do unless I change my mind one day. And the floorboard sat way higher up, so like my knees were kind of like up to here on the tank. I think you guys might have been able to see it. I don't know. So that kind of threw me a little bit off because like my feet were so high up off the ground. The Road Glide will definitely be my next motorcycle, bro. The Road Glide is going to be it. I am in love. I am starstruck, bro. I feel like a teenage girl right now, man. Like I just met the love of my life. So if any of you guys are actually nervous about trying a Road Glide or a big bagger, don't be nervous. I just did it, and I was more scared than probably anybody has been, dude. I was afraid I was going to make a fool of myself. But don't be worried. Next time you guys want to go out, test drive you a bagger, dude. It'll be nice. You'll enjoy it. You'll have fun. Just go a little bit outside of you guys' comfort zone. I'm not saying be dangerous, but just go a little bit outside of it. You'll probably surprise yourself. But thank you guys for watching as always. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. We're going to have a lot of fun content coming up here soon. But anyways, guys, it's been Reaper. As always, keep the rubber side down, shiny side up. Ride safe, guys. I'll see you in the next one.